What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So these are the new iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max smartphones. This is the first look hands-on of what the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 with dummies of upcoming Apple smartphones. Many rumors and leaks have been confirmed. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And if you are new here for our daily tech news, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. Ahead of new iPhone launches, case makers invest significant money into sourcing leak details on updated design to be the first to come out with appropriate cases. That often results in dummy models that are and camera modules will remain. At the same time, new products will have USB-C connectors instead of Lightning. Older models with rumors about titanium frames in older models cannot be confirmed by dummies, as well as information about the periscope module in the iPhone 15 Pro Max model. According to the available data, are expected to have the new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max dummy models feature a unified volume button, but that design tweak may have been changed last minute. It is expected that the new iPhone 15 line will officially launch in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel.